Hi everyone, Namaste all. Welcome to ServiceNow India. If you are planning to build a strong career in ServiceNow and you are confused about which certification to start with, which one is best for your role, or whether certifications are really worth it, then this video is for you. Today, I'll explain all service and certifications, the correct learning path, and who should take which certification step by step. So, make sure you watch this video till the end. Are you confused between what to take first, CSA or CAD? And what are micro certifications? And what is CAD certification? And what are CIS certifications? Okay, let's dive into the video. What are service and certifications? And what is a roadmap regarding this certification in ServiceNow application? Okay, and the ServiceNow certifications are officially credential provided by ServiceNow to validate your skills on the platform. They help you to get the better job opportunities, higher salary packages, trust from clients, and faster career growth. Like these service and certifications are globally recognized and used by companies across IT, banking sectors, healthcare, telecom, and retail, and more. Okay. Then ServiceNow has multiple certification tracks like administration part, development, implementation, and architecture. Let's see what is the first certification. The basic certification called as the admin certification called as CSA, Certified System Administrator. This is the foundation for most of the certifications. Like who should take the Certified System Administrator or CSA? Anyone fresher or anyone to service now, IT support engineers, system analysts, graduates like who want to start a service now career or journey. Like CSA is the first and most important step if you are new to ServiceNow. The starting step for certification is with CSA. Okay. Then the next one is CAD, Certified Application Developer. This is for developers and programmers on the platform. The people who know the JavaScript UI customizations, integrations, or want to develop some business applications or apps. Then companies look for CAD to validate real world development skills, which needs like the scripting along with some developing activities. And apart from that CAD, we have something called as CIS. Like these are certified implementation specialist certifications, and these are module specific certifications. We have different types of modules in ServiceNow, as you know. Like the popular CIS certificates are like CIS, ITSM, HR, CSM, FSM, Service Portal, Discovery, Service Management, Service Mapping, sorry, Event Management, and so on. Like who should take the CIS certifications? People working on module implementations, consultants, process experts, platform admins looking for a specialization in ServiceNow part. Okay, and it proves like the deep knowledge of one module and implementation capabilities and ability to configure the process end to end. Okay, the next certification after CIS is micro certifications. Like these are small focused credentials. Like we can go with flow designer, like bit parts of ServiceNow features, or integration hub, predictive intelligence, like virtual agent, service portal, and performance analytics essentials. Like these help you to build expertise and increase credibility. And after this micro certifications, we have something called as certified application specialist in performance analytics. Like this is a specialized certification focused entirely on PA in ServiceNow. PA stands for performance analytics. This is a certification is perfect if you love working with reports, dashboards, KPIs, and analytics. Like CSSPA teaches you how to build indicators, collect data, design dashboards, and help organizations make better decisions using analytics. And later we have something called as the most respected certification in ServiceNow ecosystem, or CTA or CMA. These certifications are high level credentials in ServiceNow. CTA stands for Certified Technical Architect, CMA for Certified Master Architect. Like these are for professionals with 8 to 12 years of experience. They validate expertise in instance architecture, integrations majorly, security models and scalability, multi system governance, large enterprise implementations, and generally these are for high level parts. Okay, this is about regarding certifications in ServiceNow, which includes from basic to advanced level. And regarding these things, we covered all the certifications till now. Like, this was a complete overview of ServiceNow certifications and right path to follow. Thanks for having your time. Jai Hind, signing off. ServiceNow India.